Deep in the heart of desert around the world, change is happening without headlines or fanfare. It's slow, methodical, and rooted not in the quiet power of animals working with nature. These are the hidden heroes of environmental repair, solutions that don't always make news, but could one day save millions of square miles from turning into dust. The first story begins with a small rodent, the beaver. You've probably seen them on nature documentaries, hard at work building dams and lodges along rivers. But what if I told you these same creatures are being intentionally brought back to deserts, places where water is scarce and the ground seems permanently dry? That's exactly what scientists and indigenous communities are doing in regions like Patagonia and the American Southwest. By introducing beaver dam analogues, replicas of their natural dams made from wood, rocks, and vegetation, they're trapping water, raising groundwater tables, and creating microecosystems. A single beaver dam can hold enough water to support fish, birds, and even new plant growth during droughts. This isn't just about water. It's about rewriting the rules of what a desert can be. For thousands of years, indigenous cultures in the Americas used check dams, small barriers made from rocks and earth, to capture seasonal rainwater and create fertile patches for farming. Today, modern versions of these ancient systems are being scaled up using GPS mapping, 3D printing, and local materials. In places like Oman's Wadi Shab, engineers have built hundreds of stone check dams that slow down flash floods, allowing water to seep into the ground instead of rushing away. The result? Lush green strips where only rocks once stood. But here's what makes these solutions truly remarkable. They don't require massive infrastructure or billions in funding. They work with nature, not against it. And because they're decentralized, small interventions across vast landscapes, they can scale faster than any top-down project ever could. The question isn't whether we can bring life back to deserts. It's whether we will choose to do it before the next generation of drylands becomes uninhabitable. So here's my challenge to you. What other hidden solutions have you seen or heard about? Maybe it's a plant that thrives in extreme conditions, an ancient technique your community uses for water conservation, or even a modern innovation that's being overlooked. Share them below. I want to explore more of these quiet revolutions that could change our relationship with deserts forever. And if this story inspired you to learn more about nature-based restoration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another story about how Earth is healing itself with a little help.